Hi, I have two different lessons to do with you today. I've attached both of them in the assignment that I assigned you, but I'm only going to do one video. So watch the whole thing, then go ahead and do your lesson worksheet that I have to go with. If you want to pause in the middle in between the two different lessons, you can. The first one we're going to talk about is closed syllables. We talked about this probably around Christmas time. Our closed syllable is when we have a vowel, consonant, and then a consonant vowel pattern. So that's how we're going to do that, okay? So we're going to look at some words, and we're going to look at how two-syllable words come together. So for example, if I have the word sun, and I also have the word set. Okay? Two words. Listen to the sentence. The pink and orange clouds of a sunset are beautiful. Did you hear the word sunset? Okay, so right here, they're words that stand alone. Sun and set. But we combine the two together to make a multi-syllable word. Okay, so that is going to make the word sunset. I can also code this. There's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So that's the pattern that you're looking for. And then if I were trying to sound out the word sunset, I would break it in between the two consonants like that. Sunset. I can also clap that out. Sunset. I can watch the opening of my mouth. Sunset. How many times did my mouth open for vowels? 2 times. So it's a two-syllable word. All right, let's try another one. Okay. So if I do pick, and I have the other word Nick, what would this word make if I put the syllables together? Picnic. Hopefully you got that right. All right. Okay, if you look at the assignment that I gave you to go along with this, you should have, sorry, I'm trying to look at it. You should have 4 questions at the top. Okay, I've given you 3 different syllables, and you need to put them together to make a new word. All right, and then down at the bottom, you have 10, and you need to break them apart. So remember, in a closed syllable, we break it in between the 2 consonants. Okay? So that is our first lesson. That's closed syllables. All right, a vowel is followed by a consonant. All right, the next lesson is silent E. We also have talked about this, so this should be kind of a refresher for you. The word baseball would be an example. Okay, base is spelled B-A-S-E, like that. The E is silent, and it makes A say its name, so I code it like that. Okay, does that look familiar to you? And then this would be a compound word if I add the word ball. So then we'd have baseball. All right. Okay. Let me go back just a second. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue to talk about putting two words or syllables together to make a longer word, okay? So the first word I'm gonna give you is life. Okay, now, the reason this says life and not lif is because we have the bossy E. So anytime you see that E, we have a vowel, consonant E, that is going to make the first vowel say its name. We have the bossy E. So life, and if I give you the word time, this is also vowel, consonant E. Same pattern. So it's not going to say Tim, it's going to say T, I, and E is silent. Okay. All right, and then if I put these two words together, it makes a new word, which is what? Think about it. You should have got lifetime. Okay? Grandfather has seen many changes in his lifetime. If I clap the syllables, lifetime, there's two. My mouth opens 2 times. Life, time. The E does not make a sound, so we don't count that as a syllable. Okay? So you only count vowels that you hear in your syllable count. All right, let's try another one. Okay, can you put these 2 syllables together to make a word? Okay, invite. Those are your 2 parts. Invite. What word would that make? All right, hopefully you said invite. And now the question is, how do we spell it? So look at that. I have in, and then I have it. But right now, is the I going to make a long sound or a short sound? Okay, this would be a vowel followed by a consonant. So right now, that would be short. So this would not be the correct spelling. If I want it to say invite, that would work. But I have to add that bossy E to get invite. All right, so this is a skill that you were struggling with on your Lexia lesson. All right, so I created a little lesson for you if you will click on that. Okay, the same sort of thing as your other assignment. You are going to make a new word. I gave you 3 syllables. Okay, so you'll do that. And then on the bottom, your job is to break the words where the new syllable starts. Okay? All right, that is all. Good luck.